Hi everyone. Sorry. Stacy Holman. This is going to be a really quick video. I have COVID, so I'm just going to open my package from Young Living. This is the unboxing. And then I'm going to lie down. This is not fun. COVID. This is fun, doing the unboxing. So I had my box for a few days, but I was not in any mood to unbox. But now I am, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm really excited to show you what I got. Okay. I have no strength right now. Okay. It's coming. Hold on. Alright. I'm in my sleepy t-shirt. Alright. So I'm really excited. Paper. Alright. So I have like these foaming hand soap, and I thought it was foolish to throw them away when I could just refill it. So I bought these refill the papers. So anyway, it's the Thieves refill, hand soap refill. So this is the only hand soap my husband will use, and with good reason. Okay, and I also got the massage oil relaxation. Yes, I need this. I'm gonna have my husband put this on my back, because with COVID, your entire body is just sore and weak, and I'm having issues sleeping because I have this dry cough. Yeah. All right, and I also have I got the art kit. It's the facial, the art facial kit. Let's see, it comes with a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a toner. Yeah, I definitely need this. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I just wanted to, I just wanted to show this to you because I have it on my website. I'll put the link in the description, but all this is on my website. You just click on Stacy's monthly subscription, and all of these items will pop up. And I also have extras on there just in case something is unavailable. Then you can always get something that's comparable to it. Oh, I got this, my body soap again, and more toothpaste. Okay. And then I also got okay. I got the Vitality drops with electrolytes. Yeah, I'm gonna be putting these in my water or my tea. It says, yeah, I could put in my tea as well. So there's 4. There's a set of 4. And there's lavender and grapefruit. So I'm really excited about those. Especially with my condition. And and I have the Thieves Home Cleaning Kit. So let me tell you what's in here. Okay. Alright. Actually, I'm sorry. Alright, so what's in here is alright, so there's Thieves Household Cleaner, Thieves Essential Oil Blend, Young Living Citrus Fresh Essential Oil Blend, Lemon Essential Oil, Pine Essential Oil, Purification Essential Oil. It also has, oh, my eyes. Let's see. It also has an essential oil carrying case, a stainless steel bucket, an amber glass spray bottle, 1 cleaning cloth, and 1 cleaning recipe booklet. So I'm really excited to start using this when all this is done. So, and if I had more energy, I'd open this up for you and my cleaning kit. I am so sorry. Again, I'll put the link to my website in the description, and you can go on my website and see all the contents. So, since I spent the money, I got free oils and free air fresheners. So, wait until you get a load of this. Okay. Whew. Okay. So my free oils. Oh, look at that. All right. So, gratitude. Got more gratitude. I do have gratitude and I love it. So I'm really happy that this was a promotional oil for this month. More free oils. I always get so excited when it comes to free oils. Gathering. I'm sorry, I'm not more detailed, but Mirror, MYRRH. I hear a lot of great stuff about this. Hope. Oh, yeah. Need this. All right. And believe. I'm so excited to get this as well. So you guys, I got 5 free oils. And I got 3 fresheners. So I can put any oil or oil combination I want on these and put it in my car, dangle it in my house, give one to my husband. So I'm so sorry things weren't any more exciting. I am very excited. I was able to show this to you. I love my packages from Young Living. Again, check out the link in the description box, and if you have any questions, you can visit my website, and I will and you can contact me, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. So until then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.